everybody. So we are going to learn about even more contractions today. Today we're going to focus on contractions with has and have. Today's objective is to form contractions with these words, has and have. You will need a pencil, of course, and your Voyages grammar book. So let's review. I'll bet you guys are becoming pros on contractions, right? I'm going to give you these two words on the column to the left, and I want you to think, what is the contraction that those two words make? See if you can spell it correctly too. What would do plus not make? Remember, we dropped that O and we put in exactly, the apostrophe. What would have plus not make? What about did plus not? What about has plus not? Let's check our work. Nice. Don't, haven't, didn't, and hasn't. See that all of those have an apostrophe that replaced the O. Let's review some more. This time we're going to do it backwards. I'm going to give you the contraction and you're going to give me the two words that makes. So what two words make up I'm? What two words make up he's? What two words make up your? And what two words make up where? Let's check our work. Nice. I plus am is I'm. He plus is he's. You plus are is your. And we plus are is where. Remember that it's spelled incorrectly if I don't have those apostrophes. So today we're going to focus a little bit on contractions with have. So I have my two words here, I plus have. When I have in a contraction, I take away the H and the A. In our previous contractions, we normally just took away one letter. This time, we're going to take away the H and the A. So when we take away the H and the A, we're going to replace it with the apostrophe. So I plus have equals I've. You plus have equals you've. We plus have equals we've. And lastly, they plus have equals they've. Go ahead and pause here and trace these contractions in part A on page 143. The second part on page 143 asks us to write the contraction for the two underlined words. Okay, let's check it out. Number 1, I have been at the pool. So remember, when we have the word have, we take away two letters. What two letters do we take away? Right, we take away the H and the A. Let's read the second one. Do you think we have bought too many cookies? That one also has have, so we know we take away again the H and the A. So this is what those contractions look like. I plus have, I'm going to take away that HA, put in an apostrophe, and that makes I've. For number 2, I'm going to follow the same rule, and I'm going to get we've. Go ahead and pause here and try numbers 3 to 8 on page 143. Now let's move on to page 144. We're going to look at contractions that are a little bit similar, but this time they have has, not have. So the two words on the left, he plus has, we're going to actually follow this same rule as have and take away those two letters of H and A. When we take away H and A, we add in that apostrophe and we get he's. We're going to follow the same rule for she has, making she's, and it has, making its. Please pause here and trace these contractions on Part A on page 144. The second part on page 144 looks a little bit different. Let's check it out. It tells us to write the contraction for the word in orange. Okay, so I get two words in orange and I need to make a contraction out of them. I think blank gone to the store. So the two words in orange are he has. Well, I know that I could put those in that sentence. I think he has gone to the store. That does make sense, and that is correct, but there's a shorter way for me to say it. Let's see if I can remember how to make a contraction here. He has, I'm going to take away the H-A, and what is that going to leave me with? Exactly, he's. I think he's gone to the store. See how much quicker that is? It's a little bit faster than saying, I think he has gone to the store. However, both are correct. Go ahead and pause here and complete numbers 2 to 6 on page 144. Great job today, everybody. Your exit ticket for today, once you have finished both pages 143 and 144, please complete page 145 in your workbook. This page combines everything we learned today. I'll bet you guys are pros at contractions by now. When you're done with 145, go ahead and upload a photo of that page to Seesaw. Mrs. M and I are excited to check your work. Let me know if you have any questions. Have fun learning.